about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, down with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Oh, yeah. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, down with my own doubts.
We are heading up to the palm forest in Salento. We came out on a Jeep, which you will have seen. Mike was hanging on to the back for dear life, and I was sitting in the middle, which was turned out to be a good thing. And now we're walking out there. You can see all the amazing palms behind me. And we're heading up to the thick of it.
These little cutie horse.
Beautiful.
Hey buddy. Look at the backdrop.
We found some pretty horses and they're taking a little scratch. What a view, what a place to do it.
On the hike.
It's not that bad, but it's still a hike.
It's always hills in Colombia.
It's always hills. It's not flat country.
But you get a view to go with it. There's KB.
We made it.
Where are you?
I'm at the top of the palm forest in Salento. It's been about, what, 2k walk?
Yeah, about that.
We're not sure if we went to the first one or the second one, but anyway, I feel like it was 2k's uphill and it's stunning. But
Well worth it.
Worth the hike, and it wasn't the worst hike we've ever done, but it wasn't the easiest. So anyone with moderate fitness can do it. Just go slowly. There's lots of places to stop and take photos and videos because it's stunning the whole way. And there's a little shop up here you can buy drinks and things, but beautiful. So we're going to sit here for a while and take it in. Just on the way back down. All smiles now. 8 other people, or you are on the back with the 3 of us. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps to support us. See you next time.